In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view text messages on iCloud from either your iPhone or PC, and we'll also dive into whether iCloud backs up your text messages. Let's start by clarifying that yes, iCloud does indeed back up your messages. However, for the purpose of viewing and syncing messages seamlessly across your devices, enabling iCloud messages is a more efficient option. This feature allows messages to be accessible in real time on all your Apple devices using the same Apple ID. First, let's tackle how you can view these messages on your iPhone, assuming you already have iCloud messages synced. Begin by tapping on your iPhone's settings icon, which looks like a small grey gear. Once in settings, tap on your name located at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. From there, select iCloud. Within the iCloud menu, you'll want to ensure that the messages option is toggled on. It should appear as a green toggle switch indicating it's active. If it's not, simply tap to enable it. With iCloud messages turned on, you can go ahead and open your Messages app. What's fantastic about having this feature enabled is that all your synced messages will automatically appear across any device that uses your Apple ID. This makes it remarkably convenient as you can start a conversation on one device and continue it on another seamlessly. Now, let's move on to viewing your messages from a PC. This scenario is a bit different as iCloud messages isn't directly accessible through a standard PC interface. To work around this, you'll need to make use of iPhone backup extractor applications. These applications allow you to extract and view your messages that have been backed up to iCloud. There are several third-party applications available, so choose one that best meets your needs in terms of features and ease of use. It's important to note that if your iCloud messages is turned on, your messages are synced in real time rather than just being stored as part of periodic backups. This means they can be viewed and retrieved without restoring your entire device. However, if iCloud messages is not enabled, then the messages will be stored only in full device backups. In such cases, these backups can't be viewed directly unless you perform a device restore or use an extractor app. To sum up, utilizing iCloud messages gives you an efficient and streamlined way to access your texts across multiple devices, making it a superior method over traditional backups. On the other hand, using backup extractor apps can unlock access from a PC if necessary. Hopefully this video has given you a clear understanding of how to manage and access your iCloud messages, whether it's from your iPhone or PC. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.